Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious bacon gravy. First, cook 6 to 8 slices of bacon in a skillet over medium heat until they are perfectly crispy. Once done, remove the bacon but leave about 2 to 3 tablespoons of those flavorful drippings in the pan. This golden base is crucial for starting our rich, savory gravy. Keep the pan on medium heat, ready for the next step. Now let's create the roux, which is the thickening agent for our gravy. Add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour directly into the warm bacon drippings. Whisk this mixture constantly for about 1 to 2 minutes. You'll see it transform into a light golden brown paste. This roux is the secret to a smooth, lump-free gravy, providing a wonderful foundation for the flavors to come. Next, it's time to add the liquid. Gradually whisk in 2 cups of milk or broth into your roux. Keep whisking continuously to prevent any lumps from forming. As it heats, the gravy will begin to thicken, becoming wonderfully smooth and creamy. Once it reaches your desired consistency, season it generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. To finish, crumble the crispy bacon you set aside earlier and stir it back into the gravy. This adds incredible texture and an extra burst of savory flavor. Give it a good stir to ensure everything is perfectly combined. Your homemade bacon gravy is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm over fluffy biscuits, mashed potatoes, or anything else that needs a touch of deliciousness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.